reflecting type of telescope. This is our mirror here. Like this. And again, it is a mirror, right? It will be reflected and it will pass. Like one more light also will incident like this. And again, it will reflect, incident on the mirror. Again, it will incident on this eyepiece. This is a here objective mirror. This one indicates objective mirror, and this one it is the secondary mirror, eyepiece. This one it is eyepieces. This is a happen in the reflecting type of telescope. Okay, so it is a modern telescope. We are using the concave mirror here. Okay, so once if light is incident on the objective mirror, again it is reflected, and the reflected mirror, it is reflected light rays are incident on the secondary mirror, that is a concave mirror, and again it is reflected and it will pass through the eyepiece. Then we can see the object clearly.